Alright, hello there kids. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to talk to you about some of the problems you did wrong on lesson 3A. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into present mode here to look at number 4. Now when we look at number 4 here, and hopefully you see my mouse here, everything like that, you're going to realize that we need to add up x, y, x first here. So find out, well, if this inside here is 90 and this is a straight line, well, then x is going to be 90. So we find that one. All right, and then we're going to find z. Well, if this is 130, and 150, it's going to make 180 to make this straight line right here. Make the straight line. Yeah, I think there's a pointer. So right here, boom, 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 pointer. All right, now, when we look at this, z is going to be 150. And then we have to get y. So if we come over here to y, right? Well, what we're going to see here is that we need to figure out the inside of the triangle first. So we get 90 plus 30. That has to add up to 180. But these only add up to 120. So subtract 120 from 180. And we come up with the question, this right in here being 60. Now, right here is 60. Well, 60 and 120 equals 180 to make this straight line. So that's what we're going to try and do right there. Now, that brings us to the final part right there. Well, if we notice this, right, what we're looking at is, okay, well, 180. So 90. That part right there, 90 plus 150 plus 120. All that's up to 360. Now, something else you could do, and I'm not, I wish they had, let me go back again, is if I had a straight line here, I should be able to draw lines on here, but I don't know what's going on here. But if I had a parallel line here, then you'd see that it was going to here, the 90, and the one thing, you'd have everything all taken together, and you'd see the 360 as well. But if not, just do the math. All right, next problem. All right, what we have here, right, if you watch the video, I said that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are the same. Well, they put a little trick on you, right? Here you see the base angles of an isosceles triangle. See the lines here? These two lines are the same. Well, guess what? They turned it on you. Base angle equals, so they turned it on you just to throw you off. So what we're looking at here, right, is that this is 56 and this is 56, which means we have to solve for this angle right here. Well, if we do our math, right, A plus B plus C with 56 plus angle B plus 56 equals 180. So add 56 times 2 is 112. And what we're going to see here, right, is that subtract 112 from 180, we get 68 degrees. All right, let's go ahead and look at the last problem here. All right, for this last problem, what we're going to see here, right? And gee, I think we've seen this one before. I could be wrong, but no, it looks awfully familiar. Well, let's look at it close up. Well, first thing, if we're going to solve for this question mark right here, we're going to solve for the entire inside of this triangle here. Remember, 35 plus 95 plus that unknown has to add up to 180. So we're solving for that right there. So boom, and then we'll solve for this for the question mark of GPQ, angle GPQ. So first we'll solve for the blue, and we realize that the inside angle, that RPQ, angle RPQ, is 50 degrees. Well, it is 50 degrees, and this is a straight line right here. Follow the magic dot. You're going to realize that this has to be 130 if we do our math, right? Because this angle here plus this angle here has to add up to 180, because remember, it's supplementary. Straight lines are supplementary. Angles that make straight lines are supplementary to one another. So that's all I have for now. And it's been great chatting with you. And so I'm going to exit out of here, escape, and end my video. We'll end in 18 seconds anyway. Oh, geez, here was my line I wanted to draw. See, I could draw right here. See? Oh, I had my line there, straight line. Straight line. Boom. All right. And I guess I'm done. Boom.